Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make numbered list on Google Sites. So first of all, want to open Google Sites. After opening it, I'm just going to create a blank site here. So for making numbered list, here on the right you can see menu options, and here is an option you can see here text box. Click on that, and then here you can see a box here, and on the top you can see here menu options, and here is an option you can see here numbered list. Click on that, and then you can just type whatever you wanted, and then you can see that you had been added numbered list on Google Sites. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.